Заходи! Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today we are making another balloon garland. This one is going to be a Fiesta one. I received a lot of comments and a lot of people wanted to see this one. Hopefully I'm not too late because it's already literally middle of July. Anyways, it's gonna be a one colorful balloon garland. If you want to see what is happening, stay tuned. Everything that I use or used in this video, I will link in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Also, all the count of all the balloons will be listed in the description under the video as well. Without any further ado, let's go. So here is the box of things that I'm planning to use for this garland. So this is a kit of 60-piece 12-inch balloons. We have darker green, lime green, white, gold confetti balloons, and I love these balloons over here. These are green marble balloons. I'm very excited to try that out. Then I have yellow 5-inch balloons, pink 5-inch, lime green 5-inch, have 12-inch green balloons, 12-inch yellow balloons. These are 36-inch balloons, 36-inch green balloons, 12-inch orange balloons, 5-inch balloons. Yellow balloons, again, I don't know why I have two bags in here. Then I have these foiled, pretty interesting Fiesta looking balloons. Then I have another pink color 5-inch balloons, and this other pink and 12-inch balloons. So we'll have a lot, or we'll use a lot of colorful balloons in this garland. I am using my electric balloon pump like usual, low temperature glue gun, 20-pound fishing line, tying tool. Everything will be listed in the description under the video. Alrighty guys, I am ready to start on these balloons over here. What I'm doing, I took that kit, that bag that I showed you with those marble balloons, and I took those marble balloons and confetti balloons out of that kit. I set them aside. We're going to deal with them later. I am taking those green, white balloons. I'm going to mix them up with orange, yellow, and pink balloons. I will mix into my base of my garland. I will mix in 5-inch balloons as well. So I'll take different colors, 5-inch balloons, and just blow a little bit of clusters in 5 and clusters in 12 and mix them up. Recently I started doing that and I am in love how balloon garlands turn out with 5-inch balloons in my base. So you guys, I am taking my 12-inch balloons, blowing them at the same time, and I'm tying them together to create this cluster or pairs of balloons. So mixing up the colors, I'm working 12 with 12, 5 with 5. So alright, my camera keeps on shutting down on me. I don't know if you saw me inflating these confetti balloons over here. I blew only 3 just for now. And then I blew 5 of these marble balloons individually, as you can see. I'm going to place them strategically on my balloon garland. Also, I blew 2 yellow 36 inches balloons and 1 green 36-inch balloons. So what am I doing right now? I want to start with my 5-inch balloon cluster. I'm going to take my fishing line and tie my fishing line to this cluster. My fingers are not moving today, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm good with that. Now I'm taking a second cluster over here, placing right on top of my first cluster, taking my fishing line and going around newly placed balloon cluster around one of the balloons. Pull on your fishing line and push on your balloons just a little bit, not too tight. Again, around a different balloon, push and pull. Now let's add third cluster around newly placed balloon. Push on your balloons, pull on your fishing line around another balloon, push and pull. Let's add one more 5-inch. Push and pull, wrap, push and pull. Don't pull on your fishing line too hard because you can cut your balloons and they will start deflating. Let's put one more 5-inch cluster, wrap, push and pull, wrap, push and pull. 12-inch, the same concept, right on top, wrap around, pull on your fishing line, push your balloons down around different balloon, push and pull. That's about it. That's how you're going to create your base. Keep playing around between sizes, I don't know, 12-inch balloons, 5-inch balloons, and construct your balloon garland. I'm done building my balloon garland. To secure it, cut a long tail or a long string of fishing line. Then hold on to your fishing line like I do here. Take your tail and wrap around one of the balloons, still holding on to your fishing line. Now you created this loop over here. Take your tail and feed it through this loop and pull. One more time around one more balloon. Pull, do that a couple or a few times to make sure your balloon garland is secured. Awesome. We're ready to hang this beautiful garland up. Here is what I have over my doorway trim. These hooks, I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. These hooks are ½ a pound. These are really nice and small, but they hold very well. These are from my previous video from last week. I made a balloon wall. So they're here and I'm going to reuse them. I will link them in the description under the video. Also, I am taking my fishing line, wrapping extra piece of fishing line around my balloon garland, and then I am going to these hooks and I am hooking that fishing line on these hooks and I'm tying a knot. That's how my balloon garland is going to hang on these hooks. Let's go. Garland is hanging. Now I discovered 18-inch green balloons laying in this whole, balloon pile. Now I want to add 2 more 18-inch green balloons. Then I'm taking a little bit of 12-inch balloons of different colors. I'm not sure how many of those I have, not too many, so I don't know. I have orange and pink. So I'll blow, I don't know, 4 orange and 4 pink balloons. I think it will be enough. And then I'm going to add more 5-inch balloons. I'm gonna blow a few more and we're gonna go and fill in spaces. But before we go do that, I want to unpack my Fiesta balloons and blow them up. I am super excited. Ah, is it a llama? It's a llama. Okay, there's 1, 2. Oh, there's a cute little llama too. So 2 big, 2 small llamas. And then, what is this? It's a cactus. Cactus with the flowers. So I'm gonna blow 1 big llama, 1 small, and a cactus. I am using drinkable straw. I'm just inserting this straw into my balloon. You can blow these balloons by mouth. That's the safest way to go. Or you can try your electric balloon pump. Just insert this piece of drinkable straw into your electric balloon pump and start blowing. These are so adorable. I love them. So cute. And then this big llama, I'm gonna use my electric balloon pump to blow it up. These llamas are so cute. I love these llamas. Okay, you guys, I am done blowing all of the rest of my balloons. Now I need to attach these guys over here. I am taking extra string of fishing line, tying that to my big balloon, and then going to the spot where I want to place this big balloon. So I think I'm gonna go here and I'm going to tie that fishing line to my base structure. I did tie this one up. Now I want to glue my 18-inch down with my low temperature glue gun. Let's go. I am going and I'm filling in spaces all over my balloon garland. Let's go. Okay, I want to add this confetti balloon. To make your confettis stick is very easy. I took this, towel, and I am rubbing on my balloon. I'm creating static inside of my balloon so my confettis can stick to these walls. Give it a shake, and voila, you have a beautiful confetti balloon. Заходи. Look what I have for you guys today. How adorable this balloon garland looks. Those llamas and that cactus with the flower on top is just everything. I love all the colors, marble balloons, confetti balloons, everything works very, very good together. Those 36-inch balloons, I didn't place them there on purpose. It was kind of unintentional and I am not mad at it at all. It looks really, really cute, actually. That's how I think, what I think. Let me know. Anyways, I did attach these llamas and that cactus with my low temperature glue gun like every other balloon on this balloon garland. Looks very, very pretty. Quality of all the balloons were really, really nice. Every single balloon, it was just very nice to work with. The quality was very soft and very comfortable to tie knots on all of the balloons. So no complaints about balloons whatsoever. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is my true opinion to you guys. I'm not going to lie to you. No, 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 no. So the quality is great. If you're interested, I will link everything in the description under the video. And by the way, you guys, whoever requested this balloon garland, this Fiesta theme, let me know in the comments down below. I want to know who you are, you guys. I want to thank you personally because this turned out amazing. Alrighty guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Here you have it. This is my take on this Fiesta balloon garland. Let me know what you think. Also, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know that you actually enjoyed this one. You guys, I hope this was helpful and it was inspiring and enjoyable. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to answer to the best of my abilities, and I will try to help you as much as I can. I would be happy to. Also, you guys, if you're new here and you enjoyed this video, I'm pretty sure you will enjoy other videos that I have on my channel. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button for future videos as well, and join our creative family. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.